Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing authorization. You must have written permission because unauthorized interference is illegal. Once done, set up an isolated lab network that mirrors the target environment to avoid collateral impact. Make sure to use approved, defensive tools like packet capture and vulnerability scanners so you learn how systems behave without harming others. This first step protects you legally and technically. It also creates reliable, repeatable conditions for the rest of your testing workflow. You proceed by observing first. Run passive monitoring to identify channels, devices, and normal traffic, because passive data avoids disruption. Once you have a baseline, run low-intensity scans with clear scope and logging enabled. This shows what changes when you probe. Make sure to perform active simulations only inside virtual machines or dedicated hardware labs. This lets you test defenses without impacting production users. Explain findings as you go, so remediation is practical and repeatable. You finish by compiling clear documentation, include timelines, tools used, and exact observations, so stakeholders can act. Once done, present prioritized remediation steps that map to risk and cost and help implement configuration fixes or firmware updates. If something goes wrong, stop immediately. Check permissions, network segmentation, and your logs to identify the cause. That troubleshooting tip, pause and verify, keeps you compliant and prevents accidental outages while you help improve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.